Hi, this is Lisa from Blue Star Minis, and we have baby Scottsdale here. Baby Scottsdale is a toy mini Aussiedoodle. Yes. Little boy. Mama is Minnie, Daddy is Fireworks. He has what you would call a black tuxedo. Some people also would say a black tie, but he has some beautiful white markings. Got white at the tip of every toe. Got little tiny white at the tip of his tail. Got the little bit of white up in here. A little bit around his mouth and stuff. And then he's got the little blaze here in the front chest area. Yep. And then the white going down his stomach. So they call this a tuxedo. Yes. He's very calm, very loving. Beautiful little boy. I'm expecting him to be right around 10 to 15 pounds. Yes. That's brother, I think. No, that's sister. She sees me holding brother, cuddling. She says, it's my turn, my turn. Yeah, you got to tell him to hold on, huh? Wait your turn. Say, right now, it's my turn, huh? Anyways, Mama and Daddy's had all their genetic health testing done, so that means he's clear and he's healthy. Yes. He will be ready to leave me middle of July, around the 14th. He will be 8 weeks old. Yes, say I will not shed. Nope. Say my coat will not be real kinky. Oh, there's a yawn. My coat won't be kinky either. Just have a nice little wave to it. Yes. Show them. Oh. Yeah. Yes. Huh. Say I will have my first shot at 7 weeks old. And I will also been dewormed at least 3 times. Yes. Say, I do have some blue eyes right now. One is really, really blue. I don't know if we're going to keep it. We'll know more probably in a couple more weeks. Eyes can change all the way up to 14 weeks, though. I just love his markings. He's very kickback little boy. Yes. Yes. Very, very. Loves tummy rubs. Loves his cuddle time. They're playing, huh? They're playing. So you can see more of me on bluestarminis.com. Yes. Yes. You hear them? Huh. Yeah. Okay, you gonna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Yes. And I'll go get, I think that's sister. Yeah, I'll go get sister. Yes. Yes, so she can have her cuddle time too. She's jealous, I think. Said no fair, I don't want mine. Yes. It's okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, handsome. Yep, say bye-bye, handsome.